Boom, Team JQ. Today, we're going to go over emergency fund versus savings and the difference between the two. In a few seconds, we'll be back. All right, Team JQ, emergency fund versus savings. It's important to have both and actually know the difference between both. Emergency fund, it's approximately 6 months of savings for the following for a rental property. So it's your mortgage, principal, interest, taxes, insurance, your property manager, and your capital expenses. Savings is everything after that. Me, I am under the program that I make sure I have the emergency fund, then the savings, then I invest. We just bought now. So now I'm building my emergency fund up and I need to fill that before I go on my next adventure, go into my next craziness. But that's the definition between emergency fund and savings. This is Team JQ. Yeah, thank you.